Yo, welcome back. Forecast of May. This is my forecast of May. Since last time I tried to put you on with some gann stuff, and I think I'm getting. It's been 2 weeks I'm studying gann, and I've been kind of understanding it a little bit more. I just want to show you what my predictions and a point of interest are for Bitcoin and the S&P. So for Bitcoin, we're expecting it to go down to 44K. That's just a little. For the people out there who are new to the video, 44K. So buy at 44K, and you should make triple your investment. So if you want to make some money and you have some extra money, put in Bitcoin at 44K, 45K, potentially at 39K. I don't think Bitcoin will come down to 39K. But we remember the market is cycles. It happens in cycles, and nothing is new under the sun. Understand that. Nothing is new under the sun. We are in right here. This is what we are in right now. We will drop down to this previous low, whatever. This is what I had marked out. This is exactly what this is. But, probably sweep will take out liquidity like it did right here, chopping out, and make all-time highs to 125K. That is Bitcoin. That is my just analysis on Bitcoin, point of interest. We don't really have much. There's no point of looking at it unless it's hit 44K, okay? So we're actually going to the charts. So nothing new under the sun. I understand that market. So this is overall. This is the only forecast you ever need. Probably the most helpful video ever. Well, the market goes like this. We see this a lot. This type of cycle. We see this cycle a lot. We see that we go in this trend line. Chop out. Recessions, mini recessions, all that, and then we hit the 20x. I believe the 20x. So we forget this. What I'm writing about. But we are here. And we're gonna shoot up to the 20x. In the economy. If you don't know the contract cycle, quantitative, let me switch it up for you, for the people out there right now. Condre. This is the cycle we're in. So our forecast will be biohealth. So back in the day, you know how it used to be It used to be, back in 1700s it was clothing, throughout history we are advancing and all that. And so our focus is where money is going to be put into. So we want to capture the most exponential growth. That's what is going to have the most amount of money. And it would be biohealth, so DNA changing, frequency changing, and so Tesla's Neuralink and engineering food and all that fake food. We could throw out there's 4 cycles. I don't know what these words mean, but recession, depression, and then E&P. I don't know, but these are also known as seasonal. It could be seasonal, so it would be like October, December, spring, summer, and it repeats. So I'm just letting you know about that. So the focus would be biohealth technology and all that. I'm trying to make this video as fast as possible so much information. But anyways, so we see this trend line. This is the 1800s, going up to the 1829 before the actual stock market crash. Well, we kind of see this happen so we see this trend line. We see the trend line. We get a break, and then we get another trend line, one break, and then hit all times high again, and 2 break. So we saw that happening right here, and So remember one break and then 2 break. I don't really know what this was. I didn't consider it anything. I just considered it a trend line. We see another exponential growth trend line. We see, alright, we made all-time highs, broke this down low and hit all-time highs again, and then recession. This is what we just saw on the other stuff in the 1800s. So this happened in 2007, 2005. So this overall thing happened exactly right here. Alright, so we are here in current date, I believe. We were crashing on a minor cycle, but overall, the crash would happen, we were gonna have a 20x and all that. But yeah, it's supposed to happen for 2 years, 3 years. It's not gonna go straight down, I don't believe. But I believe we're in this cycle. We see the cycle happen right here again. we saw the cycle happen. You know, you get all-time highs, you get a break of that, and fuck, was it on SPY? I think I had it on SPY. All right, I do have it on SPY. Sorry for that confusion, but so you had a little idea of what I'm looking at. So nothing new under the sun. All the past history is the new history. It's just different variables, just different. It's not going to be an exact date, exact volatility. It's not going to be exact that. It's going to, you know, make you work for it a little. But like I said, so I'm using the moon cycles and all that. So this is what the area we just been in at. So let me go to the daily so that you can kind of see what my predictions are. So this is my prediction zone. This is the cycle we are in. I do not believe we're bounced this high up from like I don't think the exponential curve will go like that high, but I do believe that. So this is what we've been in. If I can pull up my other two screens, let me do that. Alright, first off, so we see this trend line, blah blah blah, we break a structure, and we're like, oh, we're chopping, we're slowly building up, all that. So this is going to be Monday's price. We're going to open out there, you know, slowly trade up, blah blah blah. Wednesday is going to lead up to, like, you know, break of higher highs, making a new high. So we're already in a distribution phase in a low time frame, and then just play the trend out, and then come back down to demand where they left off, and then explode back up before actually crashing. I'm going to pull up today's charts. What does it look like? Alright, so we had a breakdown, blah blah blah, blah blah, trade it up, bam, bam, bam. So on June 1st is when the Treasury, the United States of America, is going to put money into the bonds, and like millions. I don't really know. This is rumor. I heard of the rumor. I go off rumor news. Rumor news is the best news. Basically, go off rumor news. So June 1st is an indicator that somebody in my Discord, you know, somebody I trust, said that on June 1st they're gonna stop putting money into the bond market. If the bond market goes up, the stock market go down. Over the past week, the bond market has been going down. But so look at the correlation. We're exactly at this. We're looking at this. I don't like this. We're looking at that. We get a break. We get a trend line break. Stop chopping. Bounce up. Breaks highs. One time. We're gonna break high. I don't know how. Either we're gonna break high, trade in this range, come back down into this area on May 24th. So May 15th and May 24th are huge moon cycles. And I'm going to show you on a different chart. But, so on May 15th, we're going to chop up here, slowly get up here, fall back down, you know, chop. On May 24th, either we're going to break this level and find a demand in this level and trade higher. I don't know how much higher, but I believe until June 1st. I do not, like I said, I do not believe that the exponential curve will go as higher as I think. But I do believe that will break high, and on May 30th, May 30th to June 1st will be the very top. And June 1st, June 1st is when they're going to stop pumping liquidity. So it depends what time they stop pumping the liquidity into the bond market. But June 1st, we will not crash, but see a significant pullback, I believe. I don't know yet, but I believe we'll see a significant pullback. And from there, yeah. We will crash, I believe. Just like 2007 and all that. It's cycles. This is the moon cycle. I don't know if you guys can figure out the correlation, but if you just look, this is new moon and like full moon. So these lines are like the phases, and then the dotted lines are like you got the cycles. These are two cycles, and then you got like minor cycles, and these are like 25-75% of the cycle going into the next cycle, if that makes sense. And you can see this, I noticed the dotted lines are like reversal points for profit taking, so they take profit at that day or whatever. Like, this is a major swing, take profit, and then I don't see, like, sometimes it doesn't correlate, but like it goes pretty accurate based off the these lines are not. I didn't put these lines. I put these lines off the time and date I got off the moon cycle. So if you just look at it, it gives you kind of an indicator of what price is doing. So my first time, May 1st, I started studying him like before May 1st, and I understand. Okay, May 1st. I was expecting this, like, I was expecting us to crash, but so we had this, and then we started trading down, and then I was like, oh shit, we're kind of like in this demand level like area like shit, and I was thinking, I was like, I took puts, I lost money, I lost 1200, but if I was smart and just got on my ignorance and looked at the bias, actually was happening, well, last quarter, so May 1st was what happened. May 1st at 11:27 when the cycle actually happened, but that's leading up to FMC. So FMC dipped down just like this exact 11:27 is the exact price. So we dipped down and boom, 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 and then right here took profit and they added more positions, and I'm guessing these were longs. These were longs, and they're gonna trade up to May 15th. No, May 15th, aka CPI is another. Like the news is just like, giving us like an example of all this. It's just like, I'm sorry for that, but May 15th will be crash, and then May 24th down here would be the time to buy again, I believe. So like I think we're gonna crash down in this level. The DGI is a very nice indicator of like exact price movements of like with the demand and all that, no noise. So May 15th hit the top, and then came down May 20th. 4th, and then May 30th hit our all-time high and crash. And thank you for if you gain any info on this, please leave us a video and subscribe. A follow and subscribe and preach this out. Before I let you go, I would let you know what my profit taking is for this. So June 1st would be my profit taking, and wait, let me see. I did have it marked out. I think we're going to go into this area. What's it called? 330 area. I say that because I don't know what I saw yesterday. I don't know where it's at, but yesterday I saw maybe DGI. Yeah, DGI. So what actually moved price? Like what before this whole time move happened? What moved price? We saw this was the biggest buy candle. Well, price went exactly to that. So my understanding is, what was a very buy candle before going up? This area. And studies do prove that after this crash, it's supposed to last to 2029. All right, 2029. After this 2029 crash, we're supposed to have the 20x. And hit all-time highs and all that, so 2029 is the area. It's kind of crazy because the point of interest is so I don't know. It's just a wide time frame, but we got the price movements marked down. We have the exact. Oh man. We have the exact movements on all that price down, so we're excited. All right. That's all I wanted to share with you. Leaving it at that. I'm going to let you guys look at that. Friday's price is where we close. Monday is where I expect we bounce higher and then slowly chop down and all that. Till May 5th. And May 15th would be the breakup. A wick. We're going to see a distribution. So if you want to see distribution, do I have it marked down? Yeah, if you want to see, yeah. Alright, I think I already have this. I think this is going to be the U up thrust, and then we're going to have I don't know. But, just something to keep in mind. Alright, I hope I help you guys, and keep well.